Are you having fun at the parade? You having fun? Say I like the parade. Hey, wave hi. Hey, go get it, Grace. All right. Say thank you very much. Look at that. You get a baseball? We'll put that in Daddy's pocket. Say hi. Oh, look at these doggies coming. Look at them. How many doggies are there? Ooh, I like the white one. Which one you like?
I like the white one too.
I want the white one. I called the white one. I like the white one.
I like the white one.
Okay, you can like the white one. I like them all. I like doggies. We need to get Spike, and we need to walk Spike in here. What do you think? Think we should walk Spikey in here? Think Spike would like to walk in the parade? Think we could put some green on him? Call him a leprechaun?
People are on your gate.
Yay! Is everybody in green? Yay! Wave, wave! You gotta wave at everybody! Wave, yeah! Wave. Oh, go get it, Gracie! Go get him! Say thank you very much! That last one. Got it? Good girl! Good girl! Say thank you!
Thank you.
Alright. Oh, here, Gracie. Here, let them go get it. Let them go get it. Let them go get it. What do you think, Grace? Here, oh, it's right there. Look at my bag. Wait. Yay! All right. You having fun? Huh? You warm enough?
Hi, Grace.